Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. Uh, in our last three videos, we discussed about uh, transfer of requirements. Uh, the key things that we should remember is that a config in VOV6 and OVZZ, and there are two fields: requirement type in VBAP, requirement class in BDAR, and OVZ2 config where we'll define individual requirement or total requirement per day for both sales order and delivery. Two database tables VBBE for individual records and VBBS for total records. MD04 is completely dependent on these two tables only. And how system will behave when the state and fixed quantity enabled along with the credit check happens, or whenever delivery block is applied with the uh, confirmation block enabled, or whenever this date and quantity fixed has been enabled, then confirm quantity not happened, that means confirm quantity is 0. So in all the cases we understood how the TOR works. And there is an important routine 101 which will verifying the confirm status in delivery block level, and in which cases uh, data will be disappear from TOR, like if item is rejected or sales order has been deleted or post goods issue completed for that delivery. In these cases it should not appear. And so last thing I would like to cover here is that order probability. uh, Order probability will be calculated based on two variables, one from uh, customer master level and one from sales document type control level. In customer master level, XD03 transaction code or VD03 and the sales area screen, uh, the sales area tab and sales tab, we have this order probability. And in VO V8 also, we have this probability field. And multiplying these two variables, probability field will hold a value in VBAP table. The field is AWAHR. Remember that this field AWAHR will be applicable only in case of inquiries and quotations to transfer the requirements. Yeah, thanks everyone.